Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today I'm going to show you what to do with your snowblower after you're done using it. All this snow that gets built up in here in the auger, up here in the chute, you got to clean all this, and I'm going to show you how to do it and so that it's ready for you next time you go to use it. So that's what you want to do with your snowblower or any engine, something you've been running on high idle for a while. Slow it down, let it just run really slow before you shut it completely down. Let that engine cool down. You don't want to just shut it right off because eventually the engine is not going to like that and one day it won't start for you. So this is what I'm talking about. You want to take an old snow brush like this and you want to get all the snow out of here as much as you can in your chute, around on top of here, on top of the barrel. Get it all off of there so that when you start it up next time, it's ready to go. It's not going to be freezing up. Like tonight, it's going to get to minus 20 degrees Celsius. It's really mild right now. If I let this sit here like this and then tomorrow I go to start it up, all this will be frozen likely. So I want to get all this cleaned up. And don't go away because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so now what we did is we put an electric space heater right in front of the barrel or the drum, and you want it to melt all the snow in there. You want to just melt it all down so that it cannot freeze. Look at the snow falling in there now. So I'll leave it here for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe a little longer, and then it'll be ready. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a can of WD-40. We're going to spray all inside of here. Sometimes I use PAM, but this works good to lubricate everything, and so that next time you do some snow blowing, the snow just falls right off. This just helps with rust too. So that's how you keep your snowblower in tip-top shape, and every time you want to use it, it's going to work good for you. You know, this snowblower is over 20 years old. What does that tell you? I keep it running. I keep it in tip-top shape, and if I have any problems, any maintenance I got to do, I do it, like change the oil and all that sort of thing. And you want to blow out some snow, you don't want to have to do a bunch of maintenance before you get started. You just want to get your job done. It's a big enough job to start with and get on with your day. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That would really help me out. Come back for more videos, and we'll see you on the next video.